Till now, we have learned basic Excel fundamentals and we have also prepared our basic Excel monthly budget worksheet. From this lecture onwards, we are going to start our journey towards Excel basic to advanced formulas and functions. In this journey, we will learn many formulas and functions. We are starting with basic function. In this video, we are going to learn about sum function. In the last video, we have already learned about sum function. We have already used sum function in B9 cell to find out total over here. Meaning of sum function. Sum function means add value. We can add individual value, cell reference or range or mix of three. Like in our scenario, we want total of Jan month in B9 cell. We have used sum function in B9 cell over here. In B9 cell, we have added value of cell from B4 to B8. Now, suppose we want total of Feb month in C9 cell over here. We will go through this same process that we have done for B9 cell. Like first click to C9 cell, then press equal sign like this, then write sum, then open round bracket sign, this one, then select cell from C4 to C8 like this, then close round bracket sign like this, then press enter like this. The moment we have pressed enter, total came, that is rupees 4525 over here. Or we can just copy B9 cell and paste in C9 cell. For that, first delete this. Copy B9 cell by pressing Ctrl C and paste in C9 cell by pressing Ctrl V like this. The moment we have pasted in C9 cell, total came, that is rupees 4525. When we do double click to C9 cell like this, see, it shows us that it has selected cell from C4 to C8. It means our total is correct. Now suppose we don't want to write this sum, then select range of cell. We want everything should be automatic. For that, first select cell D9 like this. Then click to formula tab over here. In that, go to function library over here. In that, click to auto sum, this one, and in that click to sum. See, all job has been done automatically. It has written sum, selected range of cell. We just have to press enter like this. The moment we have pressed enter, total came and that is rupees 4600. Here in function library, there is one more function that we can use for sum function, and that is make and trick. To use this function, first select cell E9, this one. Then same go to function library and in that click to math and trick, this one. The moment we have clicked to math and trick, many options will appear in front of us. In that we have to click to sum function, this one. The moment we have clicked to sum function, new window will appear in front of us. And when we see to our first argument, this one, that is number 1. Over there, it has written E4 to E8. It means it has selected range of cell automatically and figured out total also. Now just click OK. The moment we click OK, total came in E9 cell over here. Now suppose we have to find out total in G4 cell. So first select G4 cell, this one. After selecting G4 cell, here we are using AutoSum function. So after selecting G4 cell, click to AutoSum, this one. Then click to sum, like this. See, the moment we have clicked to sum, all job of sum function has done automatically. Just press enter, like this. Total came and that is rupees 5000 over here. Now click to G4 cell and drag it down till G9 cell, like this. Now click to E9 cell, this one, and drag aside to F9 cell, like this. So through sum function, we have find out total in our monthly budget worksheet. Try this sum function in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.